Hey guys, this is an Epson Expression XP-810 printer that I'm going to demonstrate something on. Paper pickup roller on the bottom where you're trying to pick it up out of a photo tray or the main cassette tray that we have here. If you're not, well, I don't have paper in there right now, but if you have paper in there and if your paper is not being picked up, one of the reasons could be either this duplexer unit. This one is actually pretty dirty, but you should check that this is not broken off, that this is spinning. You can open it up and let's see here, where this is where the rollers are, and when you spin the gear, this gear over here, when you're spinning it, if this is spinning good, then you're fine. Another thing that you may want to do is if your paper is picked up and it kind of gets stuck here in this area, then most likely you need to clean this roller. For that, I would recommend either rubbing alcohol swabs like these here, or just some window cleaner. Just wipe it down, let it dry, put it back in, and you should be good to go. Another thing with the paper pickup on Epson printers is a paper pickup roller, which is this one right here. To get to it, here, if I put this back, what we're going to do is first we're going to remove the trays, and I'll show you why. We're going to flip it on its side so you can see better. Okay, so this is what we have here. I'm going to remove the main paper tray. That's for a lot of the XP-600 and 800 series, and we need to remove this photo tray as well or slide it over. I'm gonna remove it so I can show you better. This is the paper pickup roller. You can also clean these here to inspect it better. If you spin these wheels, you can see all the gears are kind of together and all have motion. So if you spin one, all of them have motion. If you have a break somewhere, or if this is bad, if you have a broken gear somewhere in between, you can replace this unit, which is really easy to do, but it's sometimes very hard to find one. But to take it out and inspect it more, maybe fix it or glue some parts together to pull out this tray, to pull out this roller, like the gear assembly that we have here, what we'll need to do is you're basically just gonna pull this back, and you're not gonna feel any much force here, and then you can either use a tool, or what you need to do is just lift this latch here. You can do it just by using your fingers, or like I'm doing so right here with scissors or flathead screwdriver. It needs to be pulled back a little bit to let go of this latch here, and then let that go down. You're gonna put it out like this here, and it comes right out. So if this is working all fine, inspect this to make sure it is working good too. If it's broken, then try to find a replacement online and replace it. To put it back in, you just slide it in like this here, make sure it's in place. You're gonna lift that latch again. Here, I'll show it to you with scissors so you can see better. So that's lifted like so, and it's all in there. To inspect it more, and if you have everything good with this area, and you would want to go under this piece here to inspect it. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the screws that we have up here. You can see those 1, 2, 3 screws that we're going to remove. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver for that. So let's go with this rail here. And we can just remove this piece. So it does need a little bit of force to take it out. It's gonna be like, just move it over to the front here. And I already pulled out the output tray here. And you could also see this unit here and inspect that. It's basically, so here's what we did before. You lifted this latch, pulled it out, and then you may want to inspect this piece also. It also replaces easy. So check those things out and you should be all good whenever you're having a problem with it. Usually it's as simple as just wiping the rollers. So let me put this back like so. Have this back together and then put this one back in. Goes right back, and then put all the trays back and you should be all good to go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video if we were able to help you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.